how to trade cards in Monopoly Go. So if you find this video tutorial helpful, please subscribe to this channel and click that bell icon on so that you'll be updated if there are new ideas here. So let's go and open up our Monopoly Go. So this is Monopoly Go, where you can play with your friends and attack players, and also you can trade cards here, and I will show you how. So once you have opened up Monopoly Go, just get on with unnecessary items. So first we need to have here in the main page of our Monopoly Go, and you need to go to album. So as you can see here, you need to reach level 15 to unlock the album, but if you have already unlocked it, you will see something like this one, and if you tap on it, and here you can see a lot of options for your items where you can send to your friends. So just click on it or tap on it. Once you tap on it, you will see a list of your friends where you can send it, and also you can see the ones that are sent to you by your friends in the album as well. So I hope this tutorial helps. Thank you for watching.